Phrasal verbs combine a verb with a preposition or adverb to create new meanings. Today we focus on get up, which means to wake up and leave your bed in the morning. This everyday expression helps describe starting your day. The main meaning of get up is to wake up and leave bed. It describes the action of rising after sleeping. People use this every morning when their sleep ends and the day begins. Get up means the same as rise, arise, stand up, or wake up. These words all describe moving from a lower position, like lying down, to standing. Rise sounds more formal, while stand up feels direct and common. I get up at 6 a.m. daily. What time do you get up? She got up early today. Get up exclamation, it's morning exclamation. These sentences show get up in daily questions and statements about morning routines. It's hard to get up early. Can you get the kids up question? He got up from the chair. Get up exclamation, it's late exclamation. Get up also works when helping others rise or standing from sitting positions. Get up means wake up plus leave bed. People use it every morning. It describes standing from sitting too. You can get someone else up when they need help rising.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.